No. Tori, look. Now Julie put the candles on it. Tori, look here. Get your picture taken. That's a good kid. Jeez. Happy birthday.
Are you happy? Are you happy? Give Mommy a big hug.
Oh, good deal. She's smart. She moved. Sit there. Yeah, exactly. How old are you?
How old is that?
How old are you, Tori?
2.
No. What comes after 2?
3.
3.
Hey, good job.
Hold those fingers up.
Hold them up. Show them how many.
Show Grandma.
Hold them there. Hold them there. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Scooby-Doo.
Happy birthday, dear Tori.
Scooby-Doo.
Happy birthday to you.
Blow out the candles.
Make a wish. Good job, Brenda. Brenda's like, oh.
Sorry. Thank you.
That's why I look like the good guy when I give her like a sliver at a time, you know? Equals the whole piece. Roseanne, pizza and salad there.
No, thank you. I'm just gonna...
What
I
else
just want
was
to see
that?
mine. Sorry.
Can you look at Mel and Abby and say thank you?
Can you hold your pit?
Oh, you gotta hold these up for Grandma.
Here, go over there with her. So she can get a picture with you guys. Tori, hold it up with Mel and Abby.
Stand up.
You always remember
Look
this.
at Tori. Hold it up so you can get a
Brooklyn,
picture.
can you scooch just for a second so I can get Mel and Abby?
It works for adults, Joanne. I think we're gonna have to, get our technique down.
It's a learning experience.
I'm gonna see if the mirror goes
You
down.
can open it. Let's see.
Beautiful, Brenda.
Thank you.
Almost.
Let's see.
Wow.
Happy 3rd birthday. Look at the cards. Aww. The most exciting day of the year. Your very own special day is finally here. She's lucky. Have lots of fun on your 3rd birthday. From Aunt Roseanne. I know. She doesn't care. I was going to say.
Just let her rip, Tori.
Oh, how cool.
Tori, let it rip.
Look at that book. Oh, wow. Are you lucky? Your presents are for Christmas. These are for her birthday. You'll buy your presents on Christmas.
Oh yeah, she's gonna try to get behind you.
You know what? Did you see how she pushed that? She goes, you're going to push him into the tree and then what?
No, I'm back here.
Hey, Joan, we'll get some scissors and she'll open this for us. Let me go get them.
So we can
Yeah.
send them a picture.
Well, see, mine would be too, but I have them on CD.
Oh, that's smart.
That's good to use.
I have like, I have 4,000 pictures of Brooklyn.
Hey, Santa's watching you.
Yes, I
Open this camera.
The Canberra. Open this Canberra.
Brenda, who's it from?
Somebody in
Open
San
this
Diego.
camera.
Oh, someone in
It's my
San Diego.
daddy.
From
Oh,
your
it's
dad?
Daddy? Okay.
Yeah, it's from my dad.
You should know.
Oh, Tori, that's so cool.
Wow.
Tori, that's cool.
Wow. So I can take a picture.
How fun is
I'm
that?
gonna take a picture of Mr. Matt.
Take a picture.
Good job, Tori, taking a picture.
You can take a picture of your eyeball.
Picture of her taking a picture of you.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh,
It's doing it the wrong way. Yeah, like
Now look here. Press the button.
There you go.
yeah,
Ooh.
put those fingers across. That's usually the way my mom always took pictures. Put your
Abby,
fingers across the
Abby.
line.
She took them backwards
Oh,
too.
and she cut the
can't see it.
cut.
Shadow.
She took them backwards
Cheese.
once.
Cheese.
Cheese, Brenda.
say cheese.
Have a very happy birthday. Love, Grandma.
Yeah, she's
Like
interesting.
I like that. Yeah, get out of the way.
Cheese.
My wife's story. That's right.
Ooh, you're good.
Mom's T-U-T.
Wow, look at all
Are you
that.
sure you're not in 3rd grade?
I haven't started to
I know, but she can spell all these words. She put these too.
We have harder. T-O.
What's that?
Whoa! You like it?
So, Mr. Who is it?
Potato head.
Mr. Potato Head. Oh, open it. Oh, girl.
I think you have to get your potato head at Grandma's house to put those on.
That is a part.
Oh, wow.
What's it called?
What's it called?
It's toy. That's Grandma and Tori.
It's a Grandma and Tori bug. Let me see.
Black.
It says, "You're my love bug." Are you Grandma's love bug?
You can't read it all. Look at that.
Oh. Snow White.
This is the mean one.
Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs.
Is that the mean guy?
That's the parent.
Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs.
That's another mean one.
Look at all of them, Tori. Snow White and the Seven. Turn it around.
Show Grandma.
Aw, look, he's crying. Which one? Which one's the sleepy one?
This one.
Way in the back? Is he sleeping already?